Want different wallpapers on your iPhone's lock screen and home screen? Here's how to do it, step by step. Unlock your iPhone and open Settings. Scroll down and tap Wallpaper, then select Add New Wallpaper. Browse through the wallpaper collection or select a photo. Customize the lock screen if you want. Change colors or style. When ready, tap Add in the top right corner. You'll now see two options. Tap Customize Home Screen, not Wallpaper Pair. Choose Photos and select a different image for your home screen. You can zoom, reposition, or blur the image. When you're happy, tap Done. That's it. Your lock screen and home screen now have different wallpapers. Clean, custom look in seconds. Follow for more iPhone tips.